Surya Kumar Yadav after the match, one press conference bite, one stage bite, and he clearly stated, we just came here to play the game. It seems Pakistanis came to do everything else except play the game, Nitin.
Well, of course. I mean, that is why BCCI sent, this team to play Asia Cup. Initially, after just, Pahalgam thing happened, nobody was actually thinking that this tournament will actually happen because, India was the host. India is actually the host, be it in its tournament happening in UAE. But again, when it was decided, that Pakistan will have a match with India, it was very clear, there will be some kind of backlash because the sentiments was there, which is against, keeping in mind the whatever happened in Pahalgam.
Right, Nitin, we'll come to you. Just wait for a while. Anila Singh of the BJP joins us now. Thank you, Ms. Singh, for speaking with us. You've heard the comments that are coming in from Pakistan. Of course, there was Shahid Afridi's comment, but of course, that was within the realms of decency. But here, we hear Mohammad Yusuf saying, calling names, in fact, to the Indian cricket team captain. What is your reaction, ma'am?
My Ramnan to all, and I'm not at all surprised. This is the nature and the character of the Pakistanis. They are so different from the name of their own country. When we say Pakistan, Pak means pure, clear, clean, holy, spotless. But here, what is their character? It is full of spots. And this abuse is not going to do any sort of harm to our cricket players, to the captain, or to the image of our country. This is showing the real character of the Pakistan.
Right.
A country which is full of disgust and disgrace.
Yes. Yes, joining us now is also former cricketer Madan Lal. Thank you very much, Mr. Lal, for speaking with India today. You have played the game. You've seen the days when the two teams played with decency. आपने वो दिन देखे हैं जब दोनों टीम्स आपस में खेलती थी, तमीज के साथ खेलती थी, आपस में तमीज से बात करती थी. और आज हम देख रहे हैं एक फॉर्मर क्रिकेटर नेशनल टेलीविजन पे बैठ करके गालियां दे रहा है करंट कैप्टन को हिंदुस्तान के. आपका क्या रिएक्शन है ये सब देखकर?
See, that shows the character of the person, people, how can you abuse anybody, And these are the things the only thing they know these sort of things. Rest other things doesn't know anything. I can't say anything about that, but गाली देना तो बड़ी गलत बात है. और वो भी एक क्रिकेटर जो खेला हुआ है. How can he abuse anybody? And that is a total stupidness of the player,
मदन जी, आपके टाइम में आपने कभी ऐसा देखा कि इस तरह की बातें हुआ करती हों कि किसी को गाली दे दी, किसी के बारे में ऐसा बुरा कह दिया, और वो भी कोई एक्सपेक्ट कर सकता है कि आपस में हुआ हो तो अलग बात है, टीवी पे बैठ करके सबके सामने खुलेआम ऐसा करना?
They are not educated people, ना? That's the reason they do all these things. And ऐसा कभी हुआ ही नहीं है हमारे टाइम पे कि कोई किसी को गाली निकाला हो. That is not in a sports, स्लेजिंग वगैरह तो होती रहती है, बट टेलीविजन, नेशनल टेलीविजन पे आकर किसी को गाली निकालना, that's not the right thing to do it, that shows the character of the people. That's what the Pakistan is all about. That's why their cricket is suffering. They doesn't have anything to talk about. Actually, they are a frustrated people, that's why that's what they are doing it, because they're losing most of the time to India. That's why they are frustrated and that's why they are abusing.
Absolutely. Madan Lal sir, how would you like India to address this? I'm sure there are ways to raise this issue, although this did not happen on the field, or and it was not done by someone who's currently part of the team of Pakistan. But there must be ways to address this.
But see, like if you talk about them, they get the mileage. You don't give them any bow, Just leave it like that, Otherwise, if you're talking a lot about them, they think, like I've done something, where I'm getting all the publicity. These are the people not to talk about on such a big television, thing, Because मेरे को नहीं लगता कि ऐसे लोगों से बात करनी चाहिए, इनकी करनी चाहिए. ये तो ऐसे ही है. आज किसी ने निकाला, कल फिर निकालेगा कोई ना कोई.
Right. Maybe the right way to go about it is probably to completely ignore them. Madan ji, do stay with us. Joining us now is also Ramesh Buduri of the BJP. Buduri साहब, हमसे बात करने के लिए शुक्रिया. आप इस वक्त क्या कहना चाहेंगे जिस तरह की भाषा का इस्तेमाल किया गया है एक पूर्व क्रिकेटर द्वारा पाकिस्तान के, और वो भी नेशनल टेलीविजन में पाकिस्तान के?
देखो, इन लोगों को बात पे डिस्कस करके ना तवज्जो देके इनको हीरो बनाने वाली बात होती है. वो जमीन उनकी नहीं, भाषा उनकी नहीं, भारत के एक टुकड़े पर जाकर वो भीख मांगकर जिन्ना के द्वारा बसाए गए लोग हैं. अब जो भिखारी प्रवृत्ति के लोग हैं उनसे तुम और क्या उम्मीद कर सकते हो जी? आप पाकिस्तान का अपना क्या है, क्या वजूद है जी जहाँ वो पैदा हुए हैं? तो वो दूसरे की रोटी पर पलने वाले लोग, तो उनको तो बेचारों को रात में भी वही नजर आएंगे. और मुझे लगता है वो नाम लेने से, जो उन्होंने सूर्य जी के बारे में नाम लिया है, वो लेने से तो काफिर हो जाते हैं. तो इसका मतलब तो पैदाइशी काफिर पना उन्होंने दिखाया है और उनको इनसे इतनी ज्यादा मोहब्बत है. तो भाई तालिबानी इनको यही चीज परोसना चाहेंगे, मुझे लग रहा है. पाकिस्तान में धीरे धीरे तालिबानी इनको यही परोसना है और ये फ्रस्ट्रेशन है. इसको ज्यादा तवज्जो देकर आगे बढ़ाकर उसको जो ना जानने वाले लोग वो भी पहचान जाएंगे. तो जो भारत का हीरो है तो वो हीरो से 9 नंबर से टकराकर जीरो अपनी पहचान बनाने की कोशिश करता है. ऐसी पद्धति और प्रवृत्ति है. तो ये यूसुफ टाइप के लोग हैं, जीरो हैं. और वो भारत के हीरो सूर्य के नाम साथ जोड़कर वो हीरो बनना चाहता होगा. मुझे लगता है कि कहीं ना कहीं मैं इस भाषा का उपयोग करूंगा तो मेरी पहचान बन जाएगी. और इससे ज्यादा कुछ भी नहीं है जी.
Thank you very much, Mr. Buduri, Mr. Madan Lal and Anila Singh for speaking with India Today. So the controversy has started, although most feel that they should not be given the attention that these former Pakistani cricketers are seeking.